Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Indian-style coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients. About 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of grated carrots, and 1 or 2 finely chopped green chilies for a little kick. Ensure all vegetables are prepped and ready. This easy method focuses on fresh flavors and a quick preparation time, perfect for any meal. Let's get started with the dressing. Now let's create the flavorful dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt. To this, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of turmeric powder for color, and a half teaspoon of cumin powder. Season with salt to your preference. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined. This creamy, spiced base is what gives our coleslaw its unique Indian twist. The next step is crucial for authentic Indian flavor: tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves. Let them splutter for a few seconds, then immediately pour this hot tempering over your prepared yogurt dressing. Stir it in, then gently fold this aromatic dressing into your shredded cabbage and carrot mixture. Mix until everything is evenly coated. To finish, garnish your Indian-style coleslaw with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro. This adds a wonderful freshness and vibrant color. For the best flavor, chill the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's a fantastic side dish for any meal. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.